umurebe wa Tayali West bari kugumana tukuratirira uri Guma TV kugira ngo twereze amakuru agari kufuko mu cyanga cawe ihanga riyona nangwana na hero ya Uganda ehawunyemerere shahezi nahari kabahambi playground cyahe cyakabahambi Jini polling station ediyo muri Ntunga mu municipality etawo n'inkuru ya Ntunga maye bari kuterera karuru Elizoba ojuke umukutero bururu kwa bona uka general elections okuwire abakansaraza bamwe muri Ntunga muti barabasekwane batererwa karuru nabwenshi ngo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi bamwe abaterirwe hariho ababasekubani bagwa makazi cete kutunga draw abinganiso bururu kandi ico cyajemeseza kugira ngo electoral commission isharimo kugira ngo akarurako babanze kukagarukamo kugira ngo babase kutunga umujwecerwa w'abantu ukabasa kubebembera kandi biyoza draws izabasekubani zibaho amyanye ndijo nko muri Nkongoro na nahandi abakabasa kuba ni ibyo kuteza karuru ningashi electro materials zikabasa kuba ni zikayorete kandi zindi zashangwa umyanya ya beta shimire kuba iriyo kandi ico naco cyajemeseza kugira ngo akarurako kabase kuba ni katari kuterwa so imyanya iri kugaruka mwe rizoba hariho Chikoni E ejo nayo neshango mu Ntunga municipality ari Chikoni E akaba hesimbireho tusimire Martin kandi hamwe na atwinamire Nathan abo bona bakabesimbira ari Chikoni E kandi rizoba bari kubasa kubani baterwa karuru kugira ngo babase kubani bafunamo umusinguzi twaza umuri Nkongoro ejo ni Nkongoro B ejo neshango muri Kajara naho akarurako kari kugaruka mwe rizoba kandi hesimbireho umucara ho bari kwita Mbabazi Royce Florence ogwe aine furaga ya NRM then twineho na ali nitwe Gloria atine kibina cona twadambura tukaza umuri Cyamate ejo ni Cyamate ward 2 naho hariho Elizoba bari kutera karuraka bari kugagarukamo kugira ngo babase kufuna umusinguzi kandi bafune uwakubasa kwembera abantu aba Cyamate ward 3 ohampo akahisimbireho umucaro bari kweta Mbabazi Provia ogwa isimbire aine furaga ya NRM then twineho Rukundo Agnes atine kibina kandi ya muheru ni Rukoni B na Elizoba bari kubasa kubani bagaruka mwa karuraka kugira ngo babase kutunga ukabasa kuba narangirirwa nko musinguza antebejo esimbiroke Mbabazi Gloria kandi ogwe no wa NRM then twineho na Sasira Makirindi utine kibina so Guma handi tuzakoreza biona ebirabase kubani biruga umukaruraka kandi kugira ngo twereze information yona ebirabase kubano neruga umukaruraka kwetura konka ahacisha hece cyakabahambi playground akaruruka yoni kagenda umisho cyakabire mu endwano ningasho kwiba ninge bindi biona kandi cyo mutana ari eki Elizoba barikozesa BVVK machine choma ekiri kuscanninga kandi kikamanya ngo umuntu ogwashimeye kuba naterera hamwanyogu ningo gutashimeye kuba naterera hamwanyogu so security riho twareba aba police okurujirira ahali uri kuteza karuru uri kwembera kutera karura hamwanyogu yahamya ku Elizoba batandika shaye mwene cyo kafutera karura hamwanyogu kandi borekere kugira ngo amaresha yikuma abantu bona bayiza kuwayo then babale abaranjirire akarura akatu kwacireho returning officer wantunga mu kugira ngo abase kubana tugambira kwa karura kakaraterwe kandi kararangirirwe mpaka kwisa aha muheru.
March we are having national elections. These national elections are part of the election that bounced or didn't happen for a reason or two, ranging from misplaced ballot papers, tying where no winner was declared in some areas. So we have 5 of them in Ntungamo district. The offices for this are at sub-county level. One is sub-county order person of Nyamukana Town Council. These people tied, each of them had 5 votes. There was no winner. The other one was the sub-county district directly elected councillor for Chikoni ward, that is the central division here in the municipality. Still, there was no winner. People tied, and the people who tied to Simile Martin of NRM and Atwinamwile Nathan of PFF.
Yogumale Tayali West utakarugaho biona nitza kuhereza ibirarwo mu karuraka abwa Tayali West ndi Samuel Awumuza.